Alright, so I entered a pretty massive position from the top, I think. And I'm hoping to yield like a $2,000 profit on this trade. I'm hoping to close at a 113. Okay. So my close is not that unreasonable. But realistically, I'll probably close it above there. Above that resistance that just shot up there. Or here rather. Or even there at the 1-2. So now it's finally starting to downtrend here. Let's see what I would make at 1-2. 1012. I make $1,300. I'm up about $400 right now. This really does look like it's the top, and there's going to be a large sell-off soon. So I'll choose mine at 115 for now, actually, just in case there's like if there's a wick down there, I'll catch it. Okay, let's just say I go to 1-2 for now. I might be happy with that. How many in here? So it's getting super nervous about this trade. Everybody should be nervous about this trade for a reason, right? So let's put that 1-2 for now. 8 1 3 3 3 8 9 6. So very scary trade. Don't mind, I'm doing laundry. Laundry machine's pretty close in this place here. So I'll put out 112. See if there's a wick that comes down there. I have to take money out of this account because I don't want to do anything risky by accident. Knowing me, I probably will, because I can get very greedy sometimes. And on this account, I don't have a lot, so I might just end up leveraging like 10 or something like an idiot, right? Even though I have it on 8 here and not actually playing 8, I still have a lot left in there if you're noticing that, right? I'm only playing like times 3, if even. So only $100 up now. 15-second chart here. This is probably the first wave, second forming in here. This whole area is the second. And now we're trying to make a third wave down. And I think that this is the top. I think this is the top. 1, 2, probably a shitty 3, 4, 5 up there. So this whole wave is ridiculously high. We're at some obscene RSI right now. We're at 97 RSI. 97 RSI on Dodge's daily. Or Dodge's 4-hour. Okay. So maybe I'm being hasty. 97 RSI. This is insane. I'm just reading the chat here. Nobody knows where the top for Dodge is. Yeah, nobody really knows. I think this is fucking breaking up, unfortunately. Actually, no, I can't. Because I think this is a 1 in there, 2 in there somewhere. 3, 4. And this is a 5. Where this made a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ready. Because that capitulation was pretty major. I think right now bears are starting to stack up hardcore. I think bears are really going to start stacking up because we're at some stupid RSI right now. Like, come on. Fuck, man. I was down to $1,000. And now this. Fuck, man. Should have taken that profit. I should just be scalping it non-stop. Now, if it goes to the top there, I'm going to be down a lot. Fuck. Shit, man. I would have been up $1,000 on that. Can you believe that? There's no way we're making another high. Fuck. There's no way after that drop. Okay. I really have to get ready soon. This is probably ABC maybe. It's finishing. Fuck. My RR is... I'm going to take my loss if it gets slightly above there, and this will be my big one, my one big trade for the day, pretty much. So I'll be taking a gigantic loss if I do take a loss. We're at the 618 region right now, so people are shorting, right? People are adding into their short positions right around there. Now that I think the downtrend is confirmed almost for some people, I might even just add more to my position here, like literally another 400k. 1510. If it gets to 13, I'll probably add. Fuck, it's going up. 12. Oh, are you serious? 132, 138. Fuck my balls. Oh, here's a 618 again, okay? I don't like that. 618, how's it reacting? Pretty bearish. It's pretty bearish there. Bearish for minutes there now. Like fucking lots of pressure at the 618. Therefore, I'm just gonna do it. Literally, I'm just gonna add more to my position. See that I added more to my position. I mean, for 20k about, I'm gonna put it in about 120, 0.0120. I'm gonna put I'm gonna make $1,800 if it gets to that price point. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in for 1847, 585. Ah, okay, it's getting nervous now. Very nervous. This has got to be it. If it's not it, I'm gonna be in for a major loss. So this is gonna be for $1,800 here. And then if I make this trade for 1,800 American, that'll be $2,400 plus the 15 I made. That'll be a $3,800 day that I'll be up. I'm up about $181 right now. Really hoping that it drives to the downside. This is super fucking stressful day. When you're trading volatile coins, what do you expect, right? Like, you can't expect anything else. So of course it's going to be a volatile and stressful day. I just need one spike down, honestly. Like, that's a really big size in the drop. So I'm thinking to myself, if this happens, it's nice. But notice how on the fence it is right now. It's very iffy. Fuck! Oh no! Oh my god. Very nervous if you guys are noticing. Everything is just like, come on, where the fuck is the drop? And we're actually going up. Oh. The 4 hour is literally at 97 RSI. It's crazy. Oh shit. I didn't even know I was still recording. Sorry about that. I thought I paused it there for a second. I was just looking at my screen here and just staring at it, to be quite honest. It's insane how volatile it is right now. I think that I am gonna get a drop soon, but it's just a matter of when. I think that this is the first drop, second, and it's just gearing up for a third right now. I might even be hasty there. I might even should probably take out the 115 if it drops. You know what I mean? 116. I'm getting really nervous right now because trades like this tend to make people nervous for obvious reasons. I don't need to even say. So then that's going to be a big position for 11%. on about 20K, so it's like fucking $2,000 plus. If we get there, you know, like fuck. It doesn't look like it wants to come down at all. It does not actually, but it looks like it wants to as well. So we're getting a lot of mixed signals here. Like the 3 minute is just about the 3 minute crossed over 1, 2, 3 histogram peaks. So it's looking pretty bearish, I'd say, across the board. This is definitely a sign for bearishness. And here we did hit the 618 fib region, so it's like, whoa. But I gotta be very mindful of these stupid possible breaks or something like that, like shit like that, you know what I mean? Because this looks like it could break up or down as well, right? I gotta really be careful. But this is more like a continuation pattern to the downside, whatever the fuck this is. Okay. Oh, look at that price action. Look at that. Oh my god, it wants to try so hard. Look at that. People are just trying to go up. Oh no! I'm fucking frustrated right now. This is trying to break this. But how hard can it, like, what can they really do? The RSI is just unreasonable to sustain, like, for even another wave up. But this could have a triple histogram peak, right? And then we're like really fucked. Here's a triple one going up. I see that. Let's see all of this. Here's it poking through now in the 1 minute, the 2 minutes. So they're all getting this right now. Type of treatment, or it wants to break down, but it's not yet. In fact, it's making like an ascending type of fucking triangle instead. Excuse me. Okay, it's starting to break to the downside here. Come on. Yes, the MACD is crossing down. This is going to be such a gigantic profit today. You know how happy I'm going to be about this one? You got no idea. So $42 there so far. This is such a risky trade. But if I don't even know if I actually got the top, you know, because this does look like the top, considering how it is showing its colors right now, right? It is showing the top for sure. You guys see my frustration, like when it's trying to break a point there? Do you know how long this felt like? Do you know how long that felt like? This thing right there, that 15 minutes felt like forever. So now we're gonna make our way down. See that we crossed out? Do you see? We break down from here on the 5-second charts. So now we're gonna start to really drop. That's why I took my profits all the way down to 115 level. But I'm probably gonna get shaken out. And I'll probably end up taking my profit right there at the bottom of this wick instead. At the 120 maybe. Here we go. It's starting to come. It's starting to get pushed. See? See this? Driven down. It's coming. I think it's coming. I have company soon. I hear my dog going crazy. There we go. It's getting driven down. It's getting driven down. Yes. Oh my god, I'm gonna be right. Oh my god, I'm gonna be right. Okay. I started this trade here. I'm taking money in and out of my spot. I only had 3,700 in here. 3,700 is all I had. Oh my god, I'm gonna be right about this. I'm so happy. Oh, holy shit, I'm right about this trade. I'm like just speechless right now. I am just speechless right now. Oh my god, I'm just gonna make a $2,000 profit. $2,000. Holy shit. Holy shit. Look where I shorted it from. $2,000. I just took a $2,000 profit. I just took a $1,900 profit. Oh!